Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about learning English in a very different way. Not the usual way, not the slow way, but a smarter way. Have you ever felt stuck while learning English? You study grammar every day. You watch videos. You read books. But when it is time to speak, you freeze. Your mind goes blank. Your heart beats fast, and you think, I cannot speak English. You are not alone. Many people feel this pain. Many people feel this confusion. But here is the truth. You are not bad at English. You are just learning it the wrong way. Yes, the wrong way. And today, I will show you a simple secret. A powerful secret. A method that can change everything. It is called Stop Learning English, Start Speaking It. And the surprising part, you can use ChatGPT to do it. Not as a teacher, but as your speaking partner. Your daily practice tool. So let me ask you one question. What if the problem is not your ability, but your method? Stay with me, because what you are about to learn may completely change how you see English forever. Today, many learners feel overwhelmed. There is too much information, too many rules, too many videos. You try to learn everything, but you forget one important thing. Language is not just knowledge. Language is action. This is the big mistake. People think, if I learn more, I will speak better. But in reality, if you speak more, you will learn faster. This is a key phrase. Now think about your daily life. How much time do you spend learning? And how much time do you spend speaking? Be honest. Most people spend 90% learning and only 10% speaking. That is why progress feels slow. That is why confidence does not grow. And this is where ChatGPT becomes powerful. You can practice any time. You can make mistakes safely. You can repeat again and again. No pressure. No judgment. In this video, you will learn a new way. A simple system. A practical method. You will learn how to use ChatGPT to speak daily. You will learn how to build confidence step by step. And most importantly, you will learn how to break the fear. Because the real problem is not grammar. It is fear. It is self-doubt. It is overthinking. And we are going to fix that. Slowly. Calmly. Together. Now you will learn some rules to do that. Rule 1. Stop learning too much. Start speaking every day. You may think, but I am not ready. That is the problem. You are waiting to be perfect. But that day will never come. You do not need perfect English to speak. You need courage. This is a key phrase. Most learners stay in learning mode forever. But when it is time to speak, they stop because of fear. Now imagine this. You open ChatGPT and say, "Hello, today I want to practice English." You start simple. I am happy today. I feel tired. It is not perfect, but it is real. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are progress. So instead of asking, am I correct? Ask, did I try? Use ChatGPT like a friend. Talk every day. Because confidence comes after action. Rule 2. Change your thinking, change your speaking. Your English is not only about words. It is about your mindset. When you try to speak, you think, I will make a mistake. This creates fear. This is called mental blockage. But your thoughts are not facts. They are habits. This is a key phrase. Now say this. I am not perfect, but I am improving. Feel it. This thought gives you power. Two learners, same level. One says, I am bad. The other says, I am improving. Who improves faster? The one who believes. So check your thoughts. Use ChatGPT to support you. Ask it to correct you gently. When your mind is calm, your words flow. Rule 3. Practice speaking like real life, not like a textbook. Most learners practice wrong. They say sentences they will never use, so the brain cannot connect. This creates confusion. Now try this. Use real situations. Tell ChatGPT, pretend you are a waiter. Then speak. What do you recommend? Can I have waters? Now it feels real. And your brain learns faster. Because emotion helps memory. This is a key phrase. Live the language, do not memorize it. Make your practice real. Make it personal. Rule 4. Stop overthinking, start speaking faster. Most learners think too much. Is this correct? Is this right? And they stop. But fluency is not perfection. Fluency is flow. This is a key phrase. So here is a rule. Speak in 3 seconds. Do not wait. Just speak, even if it is wrong. Example. I went to work. Not perfect, but you spoke. Then you improve after. First speak, then fix. This removes pressure. This builds speed. Rule 5. Be consistent, even when you do not feel motivated. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. This is a key phrase. You do not need 1 hour. You need 5 minutes. Every day. Morning, speak 3 sentences. Afternoon, ask 1 question. Evening, talk about your day. Simple. Small actions. Big results. Consistency builds identity. You start to say, I am someone who speaks English. Rule 6. Make English part of your life, not just a subject. English is not a subject. It is a tool. This is a key phrase. Use it daily. Say how you feel. Ask questions. Think in English. Do not try to understand everything. Even 60% is enough. Relax. Let the language grow slowly. Now remembers. Speak more, learn faster. Fluency is flow, not perfection. Do not follow motivation, follow discipline. English is a tool, not a subject. These ideas are simple, but powerful. If you start speaking today, your future will change. Slowly, step by step. If this video helped you, let us spread the message. Like this video. Subscribe for more lessons. Share it with someone who feels stuck. And remembers, you are not learning English anymore. You are speaking it every day. Now take one small step. Open ChatGPT and say, "Hello, I want to speak English."